Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that market is behaving like a normal Monday market. Market is open. Market tried to cross 3600 again. Market failed due to low volume. And now we can see, or at the time of recording the video, we can see market is trading around 85-86 area. As we all know, market made a high of 3600 on Friday after the shocking NFP numbers. And overall, the market sentiment is still bullish. There is no doubt about it. We do not have any fundamental reasons, that may bring a trend reversal. So buy at dip or buy at retracement it still seems to be the best or the safest trading strategy for us. But if you have taken any sell, because many of you have also emailed me, messaged me that you have a sell at the top around 3598 3600. If you have any sell, it's up to you, can hold. But if you're a new trader, beginner, and looking for some safe opportunities in this situation, I feel that buying at retracement is still the best trading strategy, because for a trend reversal we need a fundamental reason. We do not have it yet. And if market comes down for correction also, we need some structural change. That too also we do not have yet. So buy at retracement is still the best strategy. So where is the best level to buy? The levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. If you are looking for some detailed analysis, you can watch the video from Saturday, because I do not want to go into detailed explanation and bore you guys again. The best level is still around 3559 area, because you can see we already have drawn the FIBO 78.6% retracement level. But most importantly, the price action will be working here, means the previous resistance will be working as support. So 59 or around 59, we have the strongest support, or the strongest buyers will be present around this area. But the problem with 59 is that it's far away from the current market price. So chances of market coming down to 59 is less. So if we need some immediate levels, so immediate levels is around 67. We are considering 67 solely because of FIBO 61.8 retracement level. 61.8 is a golden ratio, so we are considering 67. If the market remains like this, as we can clearly see right now, there is not much volume in the market. Market is a little bit choppy, so we can expect around support around 67 area. If you see market taking support, you can hit or smash the buy button. So this is our second best support. Then we also have some support around 77 73 area that we discussed on Saturday as well. 77 to 73 area. Not only we have FIBO 50, but most importantly, the market has taken support around this area previously. So these are the three support levels where we can look for a buy today during the day. And as you can clearly see, 59 is the best number, but also stands at the last. So these are the levels. If market takes support, we can go for a buy. Do not forget, market is full of surprises and no level is permanent, so do not trade blindly. We are traders, not gamblers. And on the other hand, 3600 is a level above which we can look for a buy at breakout. But we also need to keep in mind that 3600 3600 is a psychological resistance. So crossing 3600 requires a lot of volume, strength. So if you see market going about 3600, yes, definitely you can look for a buy at breakout around 3601 3602. But keep in mind, after 30-40 pips, market may come down again. So be ready for that as well, because market is full of traps, isn't it? So after 40-50 pips, if you see the market is losing strength, you can exit. Personally, I feel that buying at pullback will be a safer option. It means, see, market will not go up in a straight line. Obviously, at one point, market will come down for a retracement, isn't it? And when 3600 will become the new support, then you can enter, because that will be safer entry. But obviously at breakout also you can buy, but keep in mind that after 40-50 pips market may come down. If that happens, try to exit immediately, or you can just enter with a small lot. Later on, when 3600 will become the new support, okay, it will be better and safer for us to buy. Right now the market sentiment is bullish, there is no doubt about it, and chances of market reversal is also okay less, because we do not have any technical and fundamental reason to believe it. So considering the present market condition, we are looking for buy at retracement. So if market comes down for retracement, the levels that we discussed are valid, we can go for a buy. If market doesn't come down for retracement, then we can look for buy at breakout, but we need to be a little bit careful because 3600 is not going to be an easy level to break. Let's wait and watch. And my friends, you guys can also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. This is my profile. Okay, be careful. There are some scammers also using my name. Okay, the real profile link will be in the description. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.